What if I told you that there is a way that you can subscribe to any partner on Mixer absolutely free of charge? Well, stick around because I've got you covered. Welcome back, Savages. It is Papa Crunk here, and I'm going to share with you the newest feature to be unveiled by Mixer and how it is such a massive, huge deal that is going to be a game changer for all Mixer streamers and partners. But before we begin, please make sure to give this video a like, and then also in the comment section down below, please drop the name of the Mixer partner that you subscribe to absolutely free of charge, or any other comment on what you thought about this video. Also, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, so that way anytime I drop a new Mixer tutorial video, you can get notified. So at the time of this recording, this announcement isn't brand spanking new. It's not fresh off the press. It is just over a month old. However, I wanted to share it with you, my community, and this is really the only way that I know how. So what is this big announcement? Well, let me tell you. So back on April 27th, 2020, Mixer announced that you can now turn in your Microsoft Rewards points into free Mixer channel subs. And why this is such a game changer, you ask, is for the simple fact that now there's another option for your Microsoft Rewards points. Before, with your Microsoft Rewards points, you could take those points and you could purchase gift cards that you can then purchase embers that you can spend on partners and non-partners. Now, I did make a video on that. I will drop the link down below, or you can just click that little banner up top. And then now, with your Microsoft Rewards points, you can then purchase monthly subscriptions to any partner on Mixer. So until Mixer makes it super easy to redeem right from the Mixer homepage or right from the partner's subscription page, it's still a very simple process to do. It is 5 steps. The hardest one is this one right here, which is earning your rewards points, and that you can earn daily, weekly, monthly, right from being an Xbox. If you want to see the video on that, it's the same one as before on how to get embers. And you know what? I am actually just going to make another video on how to get Microsoft Rewards points. So step number 1 was to go out and get those rewards points. Step number 2 is head over to the Microsoft Rewards page so you can redeem those rewards points for your 1-month sub. Now, if you are a level 1 tier member with the Microsoft Rewards system, then it's 3,850 points. If you happen to be a level 2, then it's 3,600 points. So once you have those points, all you got to do is click Redeem Reward. It'll ask you to confirm it. After you confirm it, it'll send you a code via email that you can then take that code and you can apply it to your subscription for the partner of your choice. And then step number 3, you're going to have to sign back into your Mixer account. So now step number 4 is you got to select a partner. So select a partner of your choice, or if you have multiple codes, then you can pick multiple Mixer partners. However, in my case, I'm going to pick my friend Skofu, who's a fantastic streamer, by the way. I will go check him out. All you got to do is click the subscribe button, and you're going to be able to redeem the code that they sent you via email. And then once you got the code that they sent via email, all you got to do is put it in and click use, and now you're subscribed to the channel. And you're going to have access to all of the sub emotes that this partner has. So in this case, there we go, sub hype. And there it is. That is how easy it is to redeem your Microsoft Rewards points for partner subscriptions. And in my case, or in this video's case, I made my friend Skofu's day fantastically. So anyway, guys, I hope that you did enjoy this video. Please give this video a like. Also, drop a comment down below and let me know who you have subbed to if you subscribe to one of our partners. And also, guys, remember, if you are new to the channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, so that way anytime I upload a new Mixer tutorial, you will get notified. So as always, my friends, play more games and get crunked tonight.